Easter Saturday at Serenity. Let's rip it. Oops. Yo, I don't even care what the HD looks like, but I swear it was a miracle on Easter. I turned on the water, I believe. I'm almost positive that at that one point where I skipped out and barely clipped something in that vicinity, which I knew was one of those poles, I'm pretty sure I turned the water on. I'm gonna have to check the HD footage, but I'm almost positive that what happened was I clipped that spigot. I think I clipped it right there and it just I'll have to check the HD. Oh, I just stepped in mud. Oh, my own FPV mess on Easter. That was ripping Serenity.